What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I am currently in my recently built E36 M3, but as you can tell from the title and thumbnail of this video is not going to be about the E36 M3 because we are completely done with this car, but it is actually going to be about the F80 M3, which I have not made a video on that car in a very long time, so I thought might as well make this video and throw it out for you guys. But yeah, you could clearly see in the title we are going to be taking care of the F80 M3. I'm going to be giving the F80 M3 a really good wash and a really deep clean, a deep detail. I'm going to try to like paint correct the car, kind of. I don't really know much about paint correction, so please don't hose me in the comments if you're like some automotive detailer or something like that. I just really want to do this myself and just learn the process because I've always been interested in it, and the car really needs a deep cleaning. It rained here a few days ago and I have not washed it ever since, and it is just filthy inside and out. It's filthy, so we're definitely going to be taking care of that today. I'll show you guys the car in a bit when I'm on my way back to the shop, but right now I'm actually pulling up to Walmart, which is right there, and I'm gonna be getting a few car washing supplies, like the soap that goes in the foam cannon, like foam soap, whatever you want to call it, and I'll see if there's any other products that will help me get my car detailed. So let me park up real quick and head inside Walmart, see what we could find. Yeah, I think that's a clean air vehicle. Alright guys, went ahead and picked up some towels. I got the snow foam wash and a ceramic detailer spray for the end, and obviously I had to pick up some new Red Bull, so I think we're all good to go. Went ahead and picked this cool little Skyline up as well, so let's head out. Package secured. Alright guys, I just got the M3 into the garage. I'm not going to wash it just yet because I want it to be a little bit more shady outside, because I don't want the water to like dry up onto the car or anything like that. Went ahead and opened myself a little strawberry apricot Red Bull. It's like some new summer edition. It's actually pretty good. Not a replacement to the watermelon, but it's still pretty good. I told you guys earlier I'd show you guys how dirty this car is. Let's see if the camera will catch it. Just look at that. That's all from like dirty rain. And it's been on there for a few days. It's been like caked on there for a few days. So this car is in dire need of a good cleaning. It's just really, really dirty right now. The wheels themselves are full of just like brake dust. Check this out. That's how dirty they are, so they need a good cleaning as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the sun to go down a little bit, and then we'll get the car washed first and just move on from there. So before we get to that, we gotta first thank today's sponsor. What's up guys, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, and that is Simply Carbon Fiber. So if you guys don't know what Simply Carbon Fiber is, it's all in their name. They make a bunch of awesome carbon fiber products, such as these glasses that I'm wearing right here. These are honestly my favorite ones from their website, but they offer a variety of things besides glasses. They offer cool little accessories like keychains, phone cases, wallets, all kinds of cool stuff. I actually have a phone case by them, which is right here. I've been rocking it on my phone. The phone case is actually the forged carbon fiber one, as you can tell. You could either get it in the normal carbon fiber weave or this forged carbon fiber, but I think this forged one is my favorite thus far. But yeah, summer is coming up. You're definitely gonna need a new pair of glasses. Don't go with those unoriginal Ray-Bans that everyone wears. Go with something cooler like this. Got the carbon fiber weave on the side, as you guys can tell. So set yourself apart from others. Go to the link below down in the description. Use my code TOT10. It'll save you 10% at checkout, and just cop yourself some cool things. So without further ado, huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little ad segment. Now let's get back to the car. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be using today as far as detailing the car goes. So I got my handy dandy little 6-inch bar polisher right here from Harbor Freight. That thing does a pretty good job, surprisingly. I got a ultra finishing polish from Meguiar's. Show car glaze. This is like a finishing kind of glaze. I bought this from Walmart. Bunch of towels. Also got a little air freshener thing right here. Went ahead and got the Chemical Guys snow foam wash. I was actually trying to get another brand called Suds, I believe, but they weren't in stock, so I just went ahead and got this. It's not a bad product. I actually use this a lot, but I'm sure there's better ones out there. I also picked up a Mother's ceramic detailer, which you spray at like the complete end of the process, just so it could give it like a little hydrophobic texture to it, just so it'll be harder for dirt and grime to stick to it, or like dust or anything like that. I just wanted to try this out. I tried the Meguiar's one out, worked pretty good for like a couple weeks, but I wanted to try the Mother's brand out. And I also got some pads for the polisher as well. Like I said before, I'm not a professional or anything like that at this. I just wanted to give it a try because I've always wanted to learn how to do it. But we still don't have enough shade outside to park the car and get it cleaned up normally, so I think I'm just gonna start off by cleaning the interior, get it all looking spotless and everything, and by then hopefully we'll get a little bit more shade. Then I'll go ahead and take care of the exterior. Alright guys, so I got all the carpets and everything all vacuumed up. I even went ahead and got this trunk all cleaned up and vacuumed up as well. But I don't know if you guys could tell, I actually had another set of like floor mats on top of my original floor mats. I believe these are like Volkswagen Jetta floor mats, but they fit in there pretty damn well. I only had those on just so I won't mess up the original floor mats that were in there, but I finally decided to just get rid of these. I'm definitely gonna need new floor mats either way because this damn driver's side one is pretty messed up. I don't know how well you guys can tell on camera, but this part right here is actually lifting up. So I'll eventually get some new floor mats, but for now that's fine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping everything down. I wanna get these seats all cleaned up and like wipe the entire dashboard and everything all down along with the door panels. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do next. Alright guys, so I got the entire interior all wiped down and cleaned up. I went ahead and used Meguiar's interior detailer on all the plastics like the dash and the door panels and everything like that. And then I used Meguiar's leather cleaner on the front and rear seats and also the armrest over here, basically all the red stuff. But just check out how clean this interior came out, guys. I don't know how well you guys can tell on camera, but this thing is looking so much cleaner than before. Got the steering wheel and everything all cleaned up as well. So since this damn sun doesn't want to go down a bit and give me some shade, I'm just going to go ahead and move it outside and start working on just deep cleaning these wheels. Alright guys, I finally got all the wheels all cleaned up. You guys remember before they were just covered in like brake dust. Shout out to the homie Robert for
not doing shit.
Not doing shit, just keeping an eye out for me. But yeah, all the wheels are all cleaned up. Now I can go ahead and focus on getting the car washed. So I'm gonna move it real quick, position it a little bit better than this, and just start washing the car. Alright, shout out to the help of Robert. We finally got the car all cleaned up. It's all washed and ready to go. The sun already went down, so I'll probably leave the polishing and like the ceramic coating for tomorrow. But for today, I think we're good to go. Car cleaned up pretty damn well. It looks really good on camera, but once you get like up close and personal, you can see like those little swirl marks and stuff like that. So that's what I'm trying to get fixed up tomorrow. So I will catch you guys in the morning. Alright guys, I'm back. It's day 2. We got a little bit more light outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and go straight to work. I want to go ahead and start off by doing the carbon fiber roof. I don't know if you guys can tell, there's like a lot of spots and stuff in there. It's not really that glossy, so I want to get it shining again. So here's a little before, and then I'll show you guys the after. Guys, the roof is now officially done. I don't know if you guys can tell a big difference on camera, but just look at like this light reflection right here. Look at how much more clear it was compared to before. I'm gonna see if I could throw in like a clip of how it was before, but just check out how good that roof came out, guys. It is like insanely glossy now. That was probably the most annoying part because it was on top of the car and it's kind of annoying to reach up there. But now I can start working on the rest of the car. The lighting kind of sucks in here because these lights gotta go. These things suck. They barely even put any light down in here. But I'll try to capture it as best as I can. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, do the rest of the car all in like one video clip, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alrighty guys, as you can tell, I'm not at the shop right now. I drove out to a cool little filming location. Sorry, it's probably a bit loud because there's like a freeway in the background, but went ahead and finished up the car. The car is looking so much better, guys. It's just gloss and like in the sun. I don't know how well you guys can tell on camera, but it's all so smooth as well too. Before there was like so much contamination in the paint, it was crazy, but now it's just looking so much better. So off camera, I actually polished the car one more round after that with like a finishing glaze, and I also used that mother ceramic detailer after off camera because I didn't really want to bore you guys too much with it. But yeah, now the car is officially done and cleaned up. Before I finish off this video, let me go ahead and get some quick little B-roll footage because as you guys know, I'm trying to get better at that. So let me know if you guys enjoy these next few clips.